we're gonna place it right. I'm gonna do it right here, where the pumpkin right here, right?
Yeah, so we will be saving all the live on all platforms that allowed us. So we'll be saving on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitch, and just not TikTok because they don't let us. But yes, we will save the live. If you need to come back here for any reason, it will be here for you.
Yes. So here is super cute. Because the background, remember that yesterday I did swatching this color. I received it from my October subscription box. I'm so thrilled. I'm so excited. It's staring at me right now. And there are so many. You definitely don't want to miss it. Every single month it's getting better and better. And you have so much supplies, you know, for last you. Not only just only 1 month, it for even months to come. So I'm placing, like you see, a little bit of a big portion of a condensed glue gel because I am gonna placing a little bit bigger centerpiece here, which is a little cute scary pumpkin, and I'm gonna leave it right there. Am I adding its couple of a crystal on? And flash key really quick, maybe about probably 30 seconds. Flash key. Okay, quick 30 seconds. And probably I'm gonna using this skeleton's hand, and I'm gonna using silvers instead of gold because the background that I got is gold. Oh, I didn't see of the spider web. It's gonna be cool. So a lot, if you are like really like Halloween, get overwhelming, like you go and scroll through old social media and you get like, oh my god, I want this, and you get overwhelmed. This is all special when you're going to the Glitz Fall and Halloween HQ. You will definitely find pretty much of a majority of the designs for you, so then it help you navigate it so much easier, and then you can able to let all of your creativity is like unleashed, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and come back into the condensed glue gels. Now attention for a lot of nail techs, and if you are thinking into getting your nails, your crystals, and then all the charm chains of the designs, and then you was just so nervous of they might coming off or they doesn't looks good, is after you're done it's cloudy, this crystal trifecta would definitely gonna be your bestie and will be your crystal bestie, and we'll keep it for weeks to come. So I'm gonna go back with condensed glue gels, and I'm gonna place like a little bit more of, I'm gonna have this skeleton hand wrap around this scary like pumpkin, like girl, I'm gonna get you. So but you can do it however you want. It's some of the fun designs and it's so easy for you to do. So I'm gonna adding a little bit more. And again, no wipe top coat right on the top. So this too is essential, going to adhere these skeletons hands nail art so nice and easier. All right, so I'm gonna get her on this one. Should I poke her nose? Maybe no. I'm gonna add a little bit more. As if I poke her nose. Didn't mean to, but she's like need to get. All right, adding a little bit more. Just remember, if you, this is a great way for you to do if you don't have the extra thick condensed glue gels. You can definitely get away with the condensed glue gels, but just add a little bit more. All right, so I'm gonna get her places right here.
So Jen, this is our crystal trifecta, and she particularly worked with the condensed glue gel right now of the crystal trifecta. So you have condensed glue gel, no white top coat, and precision glue gel.
Look at, she's like doing flossing the teeth with her skeleton hand. All right, if you want, like here something is really cool about the crystal trifecta. It's not setting at all. So if you want to adjusting the skeleton hand and cover majority of the pumpkin, you also can do it too. But if you want, you can move her down here so then you can still see pumpkin face however you want, and it depends on the length of the client's nails. Okay.
And Robin, the winner for the crystal trifecta for September sub-block will be announced later today at 7.
Okay, so then if you want anything else, you can add some more. And if you just want just like that, just leave it alone right there. I'm adding one more crystal. Cool. All right, go ahead and clear for 60 seconds. So now